the entrance of the building. So go in.
Just go up the stairs.
Elevators and entrance from the parking lot. Stairs. Is the elevator broken or not?
No, it's just faster than
Okay.
regular things.
Okay. Out here?
And the elevator.
Okay, goes up there. Then we come out. The pool on the first floor. Nicely kept. Okay. The entrance. Okay, oh, a cat.
Little best street.
Okay. You come in. So you walk to your right, you have the kitchen, which is in good condition. The appliances are new. You have the you have an outdoor from the kitchen, granite tank top, little eating area. Then you walk to a hallway and you have one bathroom there. Then the master. There's a little porch. It's all screened and has a nice view for the neighbor, which is a little garden. And as you walk in here, you have the wash and dryer with a little room, separate room, and a nice master bath with a tub and the shower. Everything, it's all the closets have little compartments, and the floor is all ceramic all through. So come out again, look to this, and then you go to the living